Hi everyone, welcome back to a small engineering tutorial. Today we're going to build and make a simple, easy and cheap removal tool for oil seal. Removing an oil seal is very challenging, and also choosing the right tool for removing an oil seal is very overwhelming, especially there's a lot of different types of oil seal removal tool in the market. They're quite expensive. So today we're going to build and make a very simple and easy way, an effective way of removing an oil seal using Phillips head screwdriver and a drill chuck, which is used as a hammer. So let's get started. What a great tool to have. Just for only $2 you can make one of these, and get this one from your old drill chuck. So what I have here, this is my puller and some extension for removing the bushing. So I made a drill on the middle, so that's where the puller is sitting. So the washer and some pipes for installing the oil seal. This is a couple of plastic pipes and the graphite picks for taking off some excess of the remnants of the oil seal. So thanks for watching our video for today, and I hope you found it very interesting and useful, and make it one for yourself. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment if you have any questions. This is my first version, and I will make another different types of this, which is slightly it's like a hook for a fishing hook, which you can insert it directly into that oil seal, because this one is L shape, so this is a 90 degrees. So the second version would be you can insert this one directly to the oil seal and then pull it with a hammer. So that's all for now, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.